Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by cutting power, flip the correct circuit breaker, then verify nothing is live with a non-contact tester. Once done, you gather a screwdriver and flashlight so you have firm lighting and a proper grip. Start by removing the two faceplate screws, turn counterclockwise, and hold the plate as you loosen the second screw to prevent it from falling. You do this now to avoid surprises and prepare a clean workspace for the next set of steps. Once the faceplate is off, you gently pry it free. If paint is holding it, slide a thin, flat tool around the edge to break the seal and avoid chipping. Make sure you support the switch body with one hand as you expose the mounting screws. This prevents strain on the wires. You also document wire positions with a quick photo. This helps on reassembly. Taking these measured actions preserves the wiring and prepares you for either switch removal or cleaning of the recess. You finish by aligning the cover, threading screws by hand to ensure proper fit, then tightening evenly to avoid cracking the plate. Restore power and test the switch. If a screw is seized, apply a penetrating oil, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then use steady torque with the correct screwdriver. Never force a stripped head. If the tester still shows voltage when breaker is off, stop and recheck breaker labeling. If uncertainty remains, call a licensed electrician to avoid hazard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.